another computer again. Alright, I got the motherboard heatsink and got 16 gigs of RAM in there already. Got one fan here. Got a couple fans in the front already. That's what they look like. And got some messy wires. Gonna be more wires to come when I get more crap put in it, so it's gonna be a mess. But anyway, it's on a Darkflash case. Never built one out of here. This is a mini twin tower CPU heatsink, so that's gonna be something new to test out. We'll see how it goes. Might put some more stuff back in here, so make another video on that part. Alright, got some more wires hooked up. Got SATA cables in, USB 3.0, USB 2.0, got all the power leads and hard drive lights, all that good crap going on there. And I got my audio hooked up. And come around here and still see all the wires we got going on now. Good grief. But this is what I love doing. I love building computers. A lot of fun. Alright, so far we got the graphics card in now. Got all the wires hooked up to the motherboard like it need to be. Hopefully that'll be alright. It's hard to see in there. It's kind of dark. The light on this camera don't do too good. But anyway, y'all get the idea. Coming along. Still got a little bit more ways to go. I gotta hook up the power to the motherboard, the 6-pin up top. I haven't done that yet. Basically it. Then I gotta put the 2 SSDs in here, which one end up dual booting with Linux and Windows 10. So that's gonna come along pretty good. Anyway, be right back with another video on this. We're on the back side of the computer now. Now I was talking about the wires after I put the power supply in. These are the wires that you gotta hook up. Plus all these I gotta do cable management on the back of it, trying to make it look good. So anyway, moving on. Alright, everything's all hooked up, looking pretty good so far. I did fairly decent on cable management, not too bad. Fans up front, get them all installed. Everything in here is installed and everything plugged up. Don't care for all the little colored wires though. I'm gonna do some kind of different cabling next time, or upgrade to a different cabling. Anyway, that's what it looks like. Let's see if she turns on. The old power button. Here we go. Oh, it's lighting up. Hell yeah. Check that out. Waves are rocking. We have windows coming up. Awesome. Alright, looking pretty good so far. I'll do another video and show you what it looks like when it's all put together. Right now I want to make sure everything's up and running right. Well, I'd say this thing turned out pretty good. Look at that. Got your USB ports on top, headphone, mic jack, power button. Shoot, yeah. Looks pretty good. Got it all done up. Well, last thing I gotta do is peel this crap off. Oh yeah. Not too bad. Be the 6th computer that I built this year so far. I can clean that glass. Anyway, looks pretty good. freaking awesome. Oh, that's it on that build for today. I'm done.